welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So we're back and I've got another ZARA haul. I did pay a cheeky visit in there when they opened back up. I wasn't actually planning on going in ZARA, but queue when I passed the shop wasn't that big, so I was like, oh, I'll just have a quick nip in, and then this happened. I have a huge bag full of things in here. I did also pick up some things for Theo, my little boy, so I'll show those at the end as well if you're interested in seeing what I got for him. It was so nice just being able to browse around the shop because I know a lot of people find the ZARA website really confusing and really hard to envision what the things are going to look like. So being able just to browse around the shop and see things in person was just so amazing. I loved it. And what turned into I'll quickly pop in and have a little look, see what they've got, ended up me spending ages in there going around everything. So I'm just going to get straight on into it, and the first item that I picked up was this really cute little crop top. It just has this really nice low scooped almost square neckline, and as you can see this is like really cropped. But I absolutely loved the colour of this. I don't know how well it's going to pick up on camera, but this is a gorgeous almost mint green, very light grey colour top. I don't own anything like this in terms of the style of it and the colour, so I thought this would be really cute to style with high-waisted jeans or shorts. Now the weather's starting to get a little bit warmer. I got this in a size medium. This was only $6.99, which I thought was really good, and the quality of this is so nice. It's really thick material, it's ribbed as well, so it does have a bit of stretch to it, which is really nice. Next, I picked up another ribbed top, but this is just a ribbed tank top, and it's this gorgeous kind of burnt orange caramel colour. Isn't cropped, it's just full length, just looks like that, and obviously has the higher kind of racerback style neckline. The colour of this I just absolutely fell in love with. I love really kind of warm toned nudes and orangey tones. I think it just really complements my skin colour and my hair colour as well. So when I spotted this, I was like, I am definitely putting that in my basket. Although ZARA don't have baskets. Do they have baskets? I don't think they do. So yeah, I picked this up. I got this in a size medium. I probably would have gone for a small, but they didn't have any left. But the medium does look okay. It'll probably just have a little bit extra room in there. And this was $11.99. But next I picked up this black knitted ribbed kind of vest top. I can't work out if this is supposed to be a top just on its own or if it would be better to layer it with something. The material of it is quite see-through. I don't know if you can see there where the light's shining through, because it is a really fine knitted material. It just has these pearl buttons going down the middle of it. It has a very kind of low cut V at the front, and the material of this is really nice and kind of flowy. I did pick this up in a size medium, and this was $14.99, but I thought there's just so many ways that I could style and wear this. The next thing I picked up, I'm absolutely in love with this. It is this gorgeous white, almost cropped little top. I'm not sure whether this is meant to be worn as a top or as a kind of little cardigan type vibe, but I just thought this was so stunning. It just has short sleeves, just has this kind of crossed over little part in the middle here with this button, which is white and has this little black detailing on. Just looks like that. I just thought this would be really nice paired over a little tank top, even like a bodycon dress with kind of thin straps at the top. If you wanted something just to cover your shoulders but add something extra to your outfit, this would look really nice. I did get this in an extra small, and this was also $19.99. You'll notice a theme in this haul. I've kind of gone for a lot of basics because I know they're things that I wear and I'll get loads of wear out of, and then they're really versatile. I'll be able to style them with basically anything. So the next thing is another racerback tank top, and this one is a little bit more cropped. It's not as long as the orangey one I showed just before. This is in this really nice, very pale nude colour. I got this in a size large, and this was only $4.99, which is just crazy. Really nice quality, and again this will be so easy to pair with so many different things. Another very basic item is again another tank top or vest top, whatever you like to call them, but this is just normal vest top with really thin spaghetti straps and just goes down like that. It's just like a normal length top in this really nice sort of mink nude colour. I got this in a size medium, and this was only $5.99. Next I picked up this top as well, and you'll literally notice the theme. They're all basically the same sort of style, but that's what I like. I know that's what I feel comfortable in. But this one is just a really light cream colour. Again, a kind of high neck tank top, but the bottom of this top has a cuffed edge and is a bit of a thicker material at the bottom. So I thought I'd just give it something a little bit extra to the top. I got this in a size large and this was $6.99. Again, really good prices actually. And I like this one so much I actually picked it up in the black as well. Just exactly the same kind of top. Again, I got this in a size large and this was also $6.99. The last two tops that I got are these ones. And again, this is the same style top, but I got it in both colours. So this is what it looks like. It's just a ribbed t-shirt, goes down and has this really nice ruched detailing on both sides of the top. So obviously you can adjust it on both sides to however short or long you want it to be, and then just has the little ties so you can just tie it up at the bottom as well. And anyone who knows me, or if you've watched any of my hauls before, I'm definitely not someone who goes for colour. I feel like these two tops are colourful without being too in your face, and I just really like them. So I got this blue one first, which is a really gorgeous almost dark teal blue colour. Then again, the same top again, but in this really nice rustic sort of brown colour. I got both of these in size large because they were the only sizes they had left. I probably could have got away with a medium in both, but I think the large will look okay anyways, and they were $9.99. Now the final thing that I got for me is honestly my favourite thing from everything that I bought from Zara. If you watched my Primark haul, I said that I really wanted either some blue wide-legged or mom style jeans. Usually I really can't get away with the jeans in Zara. I just find the sizing really difficult for me, with me being really short. I find the leg length in all of their jeans is crazy long, so I tend to just avoid the Zara jeans section. But I spotted these and I was like, they look amazing. Picked up these jeans here, which are the Mom Slim Fit jeans. They're just this gorgeous really light acid wash blue colour, and then they just go down. They're ever so slightly tapered, like literally the tiniest little bit, and just go down to the bottom where they have got a bit of a frayed edge to them. But I just absolutely love the colour and the look of these. I did pick these up in a size 40, which is a UK 12, just so they'd be big enough to get past my hips, because that's always the part that I can never get the jeans past. I have actually already tried these on. I tried them on straight away when I got home because I was so excited to see if they would fit, and the length of these on me are actually perfect. It's crazy. They literally sit just below my ankle, so they look really nice as a kind of wide leg long length jean, or I rolled them up as well and wore them as a kind of crop jean as well, and they just looked so nice. So I picked those ones up and they were $25.99. So the last few bits I have to show you is everything that I picked up for Theo, my little boy. So first I picked up these really cute little joggers, then this really nice light beige colour, and have just a wide leg. They have the little black ties at the top, which is great, and that's what they look like on the back, and they also have little pockets in, which is really cute. I got these in 18 to 24 months and these were $12.99. So the first t-shirt I picked up was this little dark grey one with this little slogan on it. Just says Sunset Lovers, and it just has that on the front, and then on the back has that little kind of outline of a sunset on it, and this was only $5.99, which is really good. Next, I spotted this at the last minute and I was like, I need that for him. That is so cute. It's this gorgeous little t-shirt which is just kind of almost tie-dyed with dark grey, and then has a really light grey tone to it with little lions and tigers all over it. Thought this was super cute and would look really nice with those little joggers. I got this in 2 to 3 years and this was $8.99. The next little t-shirt I got was this one. It's just this really nice, very light grey, almost blue toned acid wash t-shirt. It just says enjoy today and every day on the front of it. I've got him quite a few tops like this in the past, this fabric and this style, and they last him for ages. They wash really nice, so I really like this one just to have in the next size up. This was only $4.99, which is really good. But then the final thing I picked up was again another t-shirt, and I seen this as soon as I walked into the kids section and I was like, I love that. I definitely have to get that for him. It's this really nice little, again, tie-dye t-shirt in this really light cream colour, then has the tie-dye in dark teal blue colour. I did get this in a 2 to 3 years and this was only $5.99, so again a really good price. So that was everything that I picked up from Zara. Let me know in the comments what your favourite item was that I showed. I think my favourite item was definitely the blue jeans. I'm just absolutely in love with them. If you want to see how I style them and all the other things that I got, then make sure to go and check out my Instagram. I always post like daily outfit pictures, things like that, fashion inspo over on there. So if you like that sort of thing, or you want to see how I've styled any of these pieces, then head on over there and give me a little follow as well. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. bye.